Brigade Hotel Ventures Limited initial public offering to open on Thursday, 24th July, 2025 *. Price band fixed at 85 rupees to 90 rupees per equity share of face value of 10 rupees each, equity shares. Bid issue opening date _Thursday 24th July 2025 and bid issue closing date Monday, 28th July 2025. Anchor date: the anchor investor bidding date is 1 working day prior to bid issue opening date, being Wednesday, 23rd July 2025. Bids can be made for a minimum of 166 equity shares and in multiples of 166 equity shares thereafter. A discount of 3 rupees per equity share is being offered to eligible employees bidding in the employee reservation portion. RHP link: https://bhvl.in/red-herring-prospectus/. Bangalore, 23rd July 2025, Brigade Hotel Ventures Limited, Company, shall open its bid issue in relation to its initial public offer of equity shares, issue, on Thursday, 24th July 2025. The anchor investor bidding date is 1 working day prior to bid issue opening date, being Wednesday, 23rd July 2025. The bid issue closing date is Monday, 28th July 2025. The total issue size comprises of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each aggregating up to 7,596 rupee millions. Price band of the issue is fixed at 85 rupees to 90 rupees per equity share. The price band. The issue includes a reservation of equity shares, aggregating up to 75.96 million rupees for subscription by eligible employees, the employee reservation portion. A discount of 3 rupees per equity share is being offered to eligible employees bidding in the employee reservation portion, employee reservation portion discount. The issue also includes a reservation of equity shares aggregating up to 303.84 million rupees, available for allocation to BALE shareholders on a proportionate basis, BALE shareholders reservation portion.
Largest owner of chain-affiliated hotels and hotel rooms in South India, among the major private hotel asset owners. It's subsidiary of Brigade Enterprises, which is a reputed real estate developer in India. Brigade Hotels is operated by global marquee companies like Marriott and Accor, and they are in the upscale, upper mid-scale and mid-scale segments. Their hotels have been recognized for their quality and have been honored with various distinguished awards. At JM Financial, we are proud to support Brigade as it takes the important step towards becoming a publicly listed entity. The IPO provides investors the unique chance to participate in a high-growth, premium brand poised to capitalize.
Limited. Brigade Hotel Ventures is a 100% subsidiary of Brigade Enterprises Limited. We are in business for the last 38 years, Brigade Enterprises. We have 4 verticals: real estate, office leasing and owning, retail malls, multiplexes, and hotels. Brigade has done more than 300 buildings with 100 million square feet plus as on 31st March 25 and more than 50,000 customers in 7 cities. Brigade Enterprises shares itself were listed in December of 2007. It's about 18 years back. And thankfully, the share has appreciated between 700 to 900% over a period of these years. And we have given one bonus issue in 2019, and it has been a consistently dividend-paying company since its listing and even before. The last, even during COVID time, demonetization time, and all the troubled times also. And the last dividend we paid was 25%. So Brigade Hotel Ventures is a 100% subsidiary, as I mentioned earlier. So it's coincident that in 2007 we started the first construction of the first hotel, Grand Mercure Bangalore in Kormangala, and it is 18 years since the first hotel construction started. And so far, organically, we have grown with the 9 hotels, which the details of which will be given by Nirupa and team. And it's coincidental that as a child of 2007, after 18 years, the child has become the adult, and now it wants to go on its own. So with its own vision, its own focus on business, and that is why we are coming up with this IPO to garner more funds and to grow in a much more aggressive manner in the next 5 years. So all the hotels are performing better, from 1,604 keys to 2,560 keys we are planning on 9 hotels, plus as per our TRHP it is 5 more hotels, and many more are in the offing in different stages. Land has been acquired, etc. At appropriate time the details will be given. So we have a good management. I think already that will also be explained in detail later. So I seek support of all of you to make this IPO issue successful. A Brigade Enterprises, a Brigade
stable team, and a team that has seen this portfolio grow to where it is now, and a team that will stay with us for the next phase of growth as well. A little bit on the personal side, I have always been interested in hospitality as a child, because every time we traveled or visited a hotel, we would do the full dissection of, as a family over dinner, as to what went right, what could have been better. And so that keen interest has always been there in this asset class. In fact, during my college days, I did an internship in the Leela Palace in Bangalore in front office and sales, and also in Four Seasons in Singapore, where the internship was in finance and housekeeping. So I have had my share of making beds, of cleaning overflowing toilets, of clearing the trash in hotel rooms. And I have worked pretty much in most of the departments, even in hotel operations. After college, I started working with Ernst & Young in the New York office, and had a chance to work on one of the largest leverage buyout deals in the hospitality space. A private equity firm was buying out a gaming company, so a casino gaming company, and I found the whole process and the industry very interesting. So while I was working, I started taking classes in NYU, New York School of Continuing Education and Hospitality Management, and really enjoyed it. And that made my decision to do my master's from Cornell University in hospitality real estate. So finished
a hotel, and for sheer profitability, run down the hotel, not maintain it properly, the life of the property or asset gets shortened. Idea is to make sure that we also extend the life of the hotel. So we have very strong audit processes in place. We have internal audits, we have external internal audits, and we also come up with reports. We also have a monthly review meeting with each of our hotels, where we also, wherever required, we even have a chat with their head offices of the respective operators. So overall, we are fortunate to have a great set of team managing all our 9 hotels. All our hotels are touched with doing very well. So that's another aspect that we really look into. So with this in mind, what we then go ahead is when we develop new hotels, and essentially what we do is another good thing. Another question that we kept getting asked is that, why are you having so many operators? Why 3 operators, 4 operators? Why not just 1 operator like some of our peers? The question is that we have broad-based, we are brand agnostic. As Nirupa also made in a presentation, we want to go for the best place, for the best location. And then we choose the operator. The other advantage we enjoy there is that we are able to have a broad base of operators that, God forbid, let's say, if one particular operator is not firing well, we do have the option of switching to the next operator. Plus, we bring in a lot of best practices amongst all these brands. So we learn from each brand. Each one of them comes with a specialization, be it central reservation systems, be it the way they maintain the hotels, etc. We learn from each other and bring in the best practices to our hotel.